Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are learning some basic sentences. So please watch this video till the end and don't skip. So let's start. First is चुप रहने में ही भलाई है. It's good to remain silent. It's good to remain silent. Next is मेरे फ़ोन में स्क्रैच पड़ गया है. My phone has got a scratch. My phone has got a scratch. Next is आज मेरा पर्स खो गया. I lost my wallet today. I lost my wallet today. वह तो मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. It's a piece of cake me. It's a piece of cake me. बस बहुत हो गया, अब चुप रहो. This is enough now. Shut up. This is enough now. Shut up. Next is बताओ यहाँ क्या हुआ है. Tell me what happened here. Tell me what happened here. Next is उसने पापा से झूठ बोला. She lied to father. She lied to father. Next is समय का पालन करो. Be punctual. Be punctual. Next is पर्दा उठाओ. Draw the curtain. Draw the curtain. Next is हो गया. It's done. It's done. And guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please make sure like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.